Hi, I'm Tom Horn. I'm a senior experimental test pilot for Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation. And for about the last 3 years, I've been working with a team of people at Gulfstream and Honeywell and our other vendors to develop the cockpit that you see before you now. We just finished our around the world trip in the G550, set several world records. And we just finished a trip from Seoul, Korea to Orlando, Florida, non-stop. We left Korea and headed out, and the winds were kind of favorable to the south, so we took the route, and you can see the map. We're expanding it so you see a little bit of where we flew over Japan and then out into the Pacific Ocean, across the international date line, and then flew back in just north of California and continued on across the US on into Orlando. And you can see that's where we are right now on the ground with the airplane symbol. We had no problems on the flight. The airplane performed marvelously. We had good weather for the most part. It was an enjoyable flight, very comfortable. And as we see, we have big displays on the G550. It gives us about 30% more viewing area and about twice the reliability of the older cathode ray tubes. We have also added some triple redundant FMS for our flight management system. So we now have them running in synchronous mode, so you can put a flight plan change into one and it'll be accomplished on all three. In addition, we can use these to tune radios and do some other functions. Because we are interfacing with the map, we have a cursor control device. Let that go forward now. That's actually serves as our computer mouse, if you will. We can select between the displays that we want to jump to. We can use this to slew the cursor around, and then we can use this knob to change ranges. Of course, we have an enter switch and a push to talk switch. Really a nice design because in turbulence you can just lock your arm in the side console and still make your precise changes. We also have the heads-up display, and it's hard to see from your perspective, but we have actually an infrared camera that's mounted on the front of the airplane, and it shows the infrared energy. It's tuned to see the frequencies of the runway lights, so it helps us pick up the runways in low visibility, or particularly at night, say in mountainous areas. It's very nice because you can see the mountains out in front of you. It gives you visual orientation. In addition, we'll be able to put this picture on the displays themselves and also include electronic approach charts. So we were recently certified. This airplane is actually one of the first customer deliveries. This flight, we passed 100 hours on the airplane, and it's a superb performance on the airplane to fly around the world. It left last Sunday, and we're back here in the States on Friday after going to several air shows. So I'm proud of our accomplishments, and thank you for your time.